Hello friends, welcome to the Know About Electronics. Okay, so in these sessions we are going to have the knowledge about the electronics, that is the basic electronics. So if you are in the electronics field or you are want to be familiar with the electronics, then you should have a knowledge about the electronics things. Okay, if you are having the any queries about the electronics or you are having any doubt about the electronics, then you can ask me in the comment box. Okay, so uh, I will answer you as I know about the electronic. So let's start the video. Today we are going to see the classification of materials which are going to be used in the electronic. This is the main part of the electronics. Okay, so here you can see that there are three materials which are going to be used in the electronics. First one is the conductor, second one is the semiconductor, and third one is having the insulator. So if you are in the electronics field, then you must know these three types. Okay, and you must have a knowledge about these three types of materials and their properties. That's why and when they are going to be used in the electronics. So first one, we are going to see the conductor. As its name indicates, conductor, that means it give you the allowance to flow the current through it. Okay, if you are taking any material of the conductor type, then that time what is going to be happen, that the current is going to be flow through it. It's having the example like as a copper, aluminum, that's we are going to use in the electricity in our houses. So it's going to be conduct the flow of the current. Then the second one, before going to the second one, let's see the third one, that's the insulator. Why I'm going to take directly insulator, because conductor having the property to flow the current through it, and the reverse of it, the insulator does not allow the current to flow through it. That's why I'm taking the insulator directly. Okay, so first one you have see that conductor allows the current and the insulator doesn't allow the current. Okay, so third one, that is the middle one part, that is the semiconductor. Why it is named as a semiconductor? Because it's having the 50% of properties, or we can say that having the some properties of conductor, and with that it also having the some property of insulator in some cases on in particular situations. So here in the first session we have classified the materials of the these three things. If you are want the next section, please subscribe my channel, please like my channel and share it. Thank you.